The stands that televisions come with are completely inflexible. You have one option for watching television,
Yep.
and that's just not real life.
That is not how life works. And I know that for me, if I'm gonna spend money on a big killer TV, I'm gonna have selfishly, I want that for me, but when I'm entertaining, I want everyone who's there with me to have the best viewing experience possible. And that means multiple viewing angles for everyone. So to be able to tilt, swivel, and minimize any glare or reflections for my friends, that's a big deal to me.
And for you, it's
well,
important.
yeah, okay, back to me.
It's important for you too. You know what else is important is flexibility. When you're talking about these televisions, if you're putting it on a piece of furniture, first of all, you have to find the right piece of furniture.
Mythical
Yes.
piece of furniture.
Secondly, you are stuck in that spot. Get the TV up on the wall. You don't need that piece of furniture. You're eliminating that, and you can reconfigure your room anytime you want.
And you're eliminating the stand,
Yes.
which comes with every TV, granted, but if you can get rid of it, sound bars and media players, things like that, we can mount those directly to the TV itself. Now sound is traveling with television no matter where I swivel or tilt this thing. Again, it's all about that optimal viewing experience.
And once your television is mounted, actually moving it is so easy. You don't need any tools, just yourself, and you can extend, tilt, and swivel in any direction you'd like.
Flexibility is key, and this creates the best experience for everyone in the room.